We have already explored many variations of dome-shaped petals in our previous videos. If you haven't watched them yet, I highly recommend checking them out before continuing with this tutorial. If you'd like to refine your skills, you can find links in the description for the single-line border and twin-line border worksheets to practice. Today we will be working on a new petal style, pointed petals. These create a sharper, more structured look in mandala designs and can add a beautiful contrast to softer, rounded patterns. If you find some patterns difficult, try sketching them with a pencil first. This will help you get the shape and flow right before going over them with a pen. Since pencil marks will not be clearly visible, I am using a fine liner pen here. I suggest you to use a pencil first and then use pen over the pencil mark. Remember, mandala art is as much about mindfulness as it is about technique. The more you enjoy the process, the more beautiful your designs will become. The pointed petal is slightly different from the oval or half-circle petal we practiced earlier. It has a sharper, more defined look, making it ideal for creating floral and star-like mandala elements. Adding some twin circles in between petal layers will create a unique look and enhance the overall feel of the design. Carefully observe how the petals in each layer differ. Try experimenting with different variations of petal shapes like this. Pay attention to the techniques and the movement of your pencil while creating these forms. It will help you refine your strokes and achieve a more fluid design. We are going to refine our mandala by adding delicate twin-line borders to our petal shapes. This simple yet effective technique enhances the depth and elegance of our design, making each petal stand out with precision. If you'd like to have this practice sheet and practice along with me, feel free to comment yes below and email me at kalpaartauh@gmail.com. I'll send it to you for free. And there you have it, the completed twin-line border petal design mandala. The clean, structured lines and flowing petal shapes create a balanced and intricate composition, perfect for both beginners and seasoned artists to explore. I hope you enjoyed this process as much as I did. In the next video, we'll take this design a step further by incorporating teardrop patterns into these shapes, adding more depth and elegance to our mandala. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to Kalpa Art for more mandala tutorials. See you in the next one.